Now, your Super Doppler 10 forecast with meteorologist Jeff Edmondson.
Well, I want to start with the tropics here, just giving you an update on what's going on because that storm system that I was telling you about last night that had a 10% chance of development, well, it actually developed into Tropical Depression 5. It's not very organized right now, but what I want you to look at is the grouping of clouds that's just near the label for Bermuda. It's this area right here is what the meteorologist in the Hurricane Center has been watching. Now, this thing will likely develop into a tropical storm coming up in the next 24 hours, maybe even later on tonight. The good news is, though, look at the path of this thing. It's not going to affect us at all. It's heading out to sea. So we're great and we're looking good with this storm system overall as that storm system moves away from the area. But we're going to have to, of course, keep a close eye on the tropics. Things like that can pop up. Even though it's July, we can see some activity out there. This is earlier. Look at the thunderstorm developing. This is near Williamsburg, and it moves close to the camera, moves over our area. It really just gives us a lot of cloud cover, and it kind of gave us some shade for areas across Portsmouth, Chesapeake, Norfolk for a couple of hours, which was kind of nice. Cooled it off a little bit. We didn't see any rain across many of the Hampton Road cities, but we did have some rain in some spots. There are some warning storms. Look at that near Rocky Mount right now. There's a new warning for that storm. These storms right here are starting to kind of congeal together a little bit into northeast North Carolina, near Como, north of Ahoskie, close to Gatesville. So you're seeing a little bit of rain tonight, but I don't see this quickly pushing up to the north. So many areas will stay dry, but once again, northeast North Carolina around Ahoskie, Como, and near Elizabeth City, a little bit of rainfall. It's cooling off. These storms won't last too long as they're running into cooler air. It's much warmer, though, in Richmond, 89 degrees, 78 in Virginia Beach right now, 79 Wallops Island. Dew points are in the mid to low 70s, not incredibly humid, but there's that humidity out there, though. Here's our feeder track tonight, and it's doing a great job where the rain is, too. I'm really happy with how it's doing, but look what happens in the next couple of hours. It disappears. So tomorrow morning, we're looking dry as we start our Sunday. We should have mostly sunny skies across the area. The wind will be out of the northeast to east throughout the day. That should protect us from seeing thunderstorms across Hampton Roads and across northeast North Carolina. So we'll have a stable atmosphere in our sector, but as you travel to the west, they'll have those pop-up showers and storms like some of those that we had across parts of our area today. Tomorrow night, we're looking dry into Monday. We're also looking dry. The wind is out of the southwest again, though, and that means it'll be getting hotter. Temperatures tomorrow in the mid to upper 80s, 89 in Chesapeake, 86 Virginia Beach. Now, that is not going to be the temperature at the ocean front. 82 likely the temperature at the ocean front. It'll mimic what's happening across the Outer Banks. Remember, we're going to have an onshore breeze tomorrow, so the air temperature should be about the same as the water temperature, and the water temperatures now are in the 80s. 86 degrees Melfa tomorrow, 90 in Williamsburg. We're going to see warm temperatures for the next several days. Not a lot of rain, though. I believe we'll be looking dry, but we have to watch what happens late into the upcoming week. A few thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday, not a big deal there. But Friday, there could be a coastal storm system developing right on top of us, which could give us all-day rainfall, a lot of wind, maybe some higher than normal tides. So we'll have to watch late next week.